Now again make a copy of it. First type and select this text and make it as, type it over here 95. Now drag this text, make a copy of it, holding shift key. Now rotate it. On y-axis, both on y and z. Now rotate it both on y and z axis. First I have rotated on y axis, now on z axis, on minus 1990. Now place a circle over here, cylinder, circle or cylinder, both of you can check it out. But for circle you should place a extrude modifier also. You should apply extrude modifier also. Now I will place a cylinder directly. Scale it. Now rotate it little bit. Select from here white color. Go to material editor. Select different material slot. From here select VRM, standard instant. Select VRMTL, very light materials. Apply assign material selection and show schedule in material viewport. Let me check it out. If it is white or yeah, it is white. Let me check it out. The color is I want to apply the black color for the eye. Make it as black. And show schedule material in viewport. Select this one. Now I place the camera. Or you can go to from here. If there is no camera option here, select from here V-Ray camera. Select from V-Ray, go to V-Ray and select V-Ray camera on. Now I'll go to the parameters of the camera. Select film speed up to 240. from 100 and shutter speed from 200 to 40. Now place a V-Ray light. V-Ray light. Go to the V-Ray light, select from here V-Ray light, and from here select plane light. Drag it into the top top viewport, drag it in top viewport and make it upward. Make it invisible. Go to the options so that we can't see in the real. It must be there, the light must be there in the scene, but the rectangle design must not be there of the light. It can't be shown. The design can't be shown, the rectangle design. Rotate it. Make a copy of it. Rotate it. Now go to the V-Ray camera 1, select from V-Ray camera 1. Now render it. Now you can see it's a real car. Let me place the lights over in the straight. It's not now. Right now it's not in the straight. The front light. Select the light and drag it inside. This much is enough. Now once again select the light, now select the tire and drag it, let it outside. Select from here V-Ray camera 1 and here V-Ray camera 1, render it. Now you can see the real car. Now let me place a V-Ray. Let me place a light over here. Coming out of the parameters. Go to the V-Ray camera 1, select from here V-Ray camera. Now render it. Now change the angle. Let me change the angle. Now render it. Now I'll apply the, as I have applied material to the smile, it is white color, so I want to make it black, to make it the smile material as a black color. Now go to the render, material, compact material editor, select from here and go to default from here. Now this is third material I have applied to the smile, it is grayish color. Go to third material, select from here black color, little full black. Apply this button, click on this button, send material to selection and social material viewport, click on this button, and now select video camera 1 from here, select by name or name, select the camera 1 and now render it. Go to render setup and now render it. Now you can see the smile is black. Now in this tutorial I have told you how to design a Macqueen car, how to model a Macqueen car. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Vasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest notification. Have a good day. Bye.